sorry. Everything we've been through, no matter what form you take, it's always you, Aaron. It's always been you. I'll always be your stupid potato. I love you, Aaron. I'll wait for you. I don't want to die, Aaron. Please.
I don't wanna let go. I know I'm not that strong. I just wanna hear you saying, baby, let's go home. Let's go home. Yeah, I just wanna take you home. Hold on, I still want you. Come back, I still need you.